Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Unlocking the Secret Garden Oracle. This is written by Angi Sullins with artwork by Jena Dellagrottaglia. It retails for $26.95 in the US and is published by US Game Systems. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this deck our way, and as always, in the description box below, you will find where to legitimately purchase this, should you want to, as well as a link tree where you can find all of my social media, as well as my Etsy shop and my Whatnot shop. So check it all out and let's get into it. Unlocking the Secret Garden. There is a secret garden inside you, fortified by stone walls old enough to remember the moon's first name. In this magic garden, every plant, flower, insect, and animal is a portal, a passageway to secret knowledge and illuminated wisdom. You already have the keys to open each portal. This deck and guidebook are intended to accompany your own intuition as you navigate your way through the garden. Question keys and answer locks. When fitted together, open ancient passageways and doorways of opportunity, where you will discover wisdom, treasure. Visit the garden to unlock the secrets still tucked away in your own potential. Set includes 44 gold gilt-edged cards, 108-page lushly illustrated guidebook, and organza drawstring pouch. I'm excited. I really do love this packaging style with the Oracle cards lately. It's been really fun and convenient because they all fit together nicely. And I do love the fun pouch to take the cards with you. Questions are simple keys looking for their beloved. Their kindred answer lock. When fitted together, ancient passageways open. Doors of opportunity are unlocked. Wisdom treasure is unleashed. All right, there's a little pouch. We do have a ribbon. It was just tucked under. Here is that nice thick guidebook. Ooh, all color in there. And we have the cards. Love it. Oh, look at the mushies. So pretty. And that fern. Ooh, I'm excited about this. I do love a garden. The Secret Garden was actually one of my favorite books and movies growing up, so I'm excited to see what this has in store. So let's take a look at the guidebook first to see if there's anything pertinent we need to know outside of what we already saw on the back. A little intro. This deck was designed to be a gentle companion. Its messages are the hand that slips in yours to guide you around your own internal sanctuary of wisdom. Every person is endowed with an inner sanctuary, a space receptive to the realm of soul that can influence and guide our human experience. Whether or not that inherent guidance is utilized often or seldom, it is available at any time for all of us. The words and images in this deck are intended to accompany your own intuition. When you're in a position to ask for guidance, simply pull a card. Allow the imagery to speak to you. The colors, the environment, the iconography all contain messages that will be particular to you. Use these associations first. Okay. You can do daily card, journal. Awesome. And then it goes into the cards. I do want to see if there are anything like spreads. Okay, no, just the author and artist info. Cool. Okay, I'm going to unwrap this and I'll be right back. All right, here is the back. It is a high gloss, but look at how pretty that is. And there's those edges. Very nice. All right. And I'm going to read out the title because they might be hard to read through the video here. Keeper of Stories, and we also do have a number. I am excited about this imagery. And be careful when you are first flipping through your deck, because with the gilded edges like that, it will stick together due to the manufacturing product or process. So you want to make sure that you're going slow. Keeper of Opportunity. Very stylized, very pretty. Keeper of Time. I love the details. I'm a fan of anything Jena Dellagrottaglia does, so I might be a little biased in there, and I will admit that. Keeper of Waves. That's really cool. Keeper of the Harvest. Keeper of Wonder. Oh my goodness, there's a little rabbit up there. It feels very gentle. Keeper of Hope. Love that. Birds are free. Keeper of Pleasure. I love that I'm seeing diversity in this. Oh, I'm loving that I'm seeing different ages in this. Keeper of Dreams. Loving the color. Keeper of Love. Risk. There's a lot to kind of look at in each card too, which I like, because each time you use the deck, you'll pick up on something pertinent to what you're reading for. Reach. Reciprocity. Become. Action. Oh, there's a key, and at the very bottom there's a lock. Oh, it looks like there might be one in each card here. Maybe I've missed that because I've been so distracted with everything else. Embodiment. Relief. I like the size of this oracle as well. They've been putting out a lot of this style, and I've been enjoying utilizing it. Retreat. Oh, cute. Curiosity. Receive. Contradiction. I love this. That is gorgeous. It might just be the colors, the feel of it, the vibe. I love that. Peace. Listen. Self-trust. Oh, hummingbird. Discernment. Boundaries. Gorgeous. Transformation. Rest. Wish. Honestly, I would love to have these as prints around my home. This is the vibe of my home. Create. I switch our house around a lot when it comes to colors and styles, but yeah, this is exactly the vibe here. Truth, especially with that peacock. Expectation. Follow through. Grounding. Oh, I love this so much. Prepare. Discretion. Oh my God, I love a chunky raccoon. Solitude. I love what the cards are about. I feel like you could use this every day. Permission. Definitely could use this as a journaling tool as well. Laughter. Forgiveness. Uncertainty. Priorities. Imagination. And lastly, freedom. Okay, let's give it a shuffle. Nice. Yeah, they are quite slippery with that gloss, but they are really nice. I don't know if we went over the cardstock, but if you have any of the past Angi Sullins Oracle decks, very, very similar cardstock. I think it's the same cardstock. Very nice. They glide really well when you shuffle, as well as they snap back really nice when you bend it. So I really do enjoy this cardstock. Okay, let's see. Yeah, they slip so nice this way. Ooh. All right, let's get a card to read, please. All right, Keeper of Stories. All right, so there is no table of contents, but they are numbered, so you just have to flip through to find your particular card. But we do have the full card printout on the left side or the opposite side of the book here. Keeper of Stories. When the Keeper of Stories shows up in your reading, she's here to remind you that you are yourself a keeper of stories made in her image. Your life is made of stories. Which ones are you currently listening to? Is it time to reawaken your sense of wonder with a fairy tale? Embark on a new adventure story? Stop rereading the horror stories you've lived. A popular spiritual advisor is fond of asking, who would you want, or who would you be without that story? Perhaps it's time to consider telling a new empowerment story, even if you haven't lived it yet. Stories have power. Choose carefully which ones you collect and retell and which ones would be best left on the shelf. I love this because this is one of those things where it's like, if you keep having negative self-talk or you keep doubting yourself and you retell all the mistakes that you've had and mishaps that have happened, it starts to become like your self-image, right? Where you start believing that, oh, I can't do this because I've done XYZ in the past. Stop retelling those. Use them as a stepping stool to know that, okay, I don't have to do that anymore. I don't have to be that person. I've learned from that mistake. That's not who I am. So I really, really like this telling of that, the symbology of that. Very, very cool. I love the artwork, but again, like I said, it's me being biased because I do love this style a lot. I love the quality of the cardstock. There's just enough information in the book here to give you more understanding of what's going on in the card and what's meant to be interpreted, but I love that your interpretation is always going to be first and foremost what you want to focus on, but the book will help expand upon things if you're feeling stuck, and you can kind of take it and run with it. So I'm here for this. I think it's beautiful. I think it's gorgeous. Definitely perfect for a daily pull, for confirmation, for journaling, whatever you choose to use oracles for. I love to use them with a tarot deck as confirmation or just a little bit deeper of information. So this is great. So I'm excited to get to know it. Now I want to know what you all think down in the comment section. Let me know if this is something that you're excited about. Did you pre-order it? Are you ordering it now? Or is this a pass for you? Let me know all of that down below, as well as if you've made it this far in the video, drop your favorite flower emoji alongside your comment. Thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this deck our way. I'm excited to get to know it. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.